Got a gorgeous arrival today at Westport Auto Center. A fully restored rotisserie restoration, 1966 Ford Mustang, 289, 4-speed, just nicely done. Very nice car. We'll have about 75 to 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Got the buck tag, but a nice 289 4-speed power top. Just a fun car. All the chrome trim bright work is fantastic. Upgraded with a nice aluminum radiator, fan shroud. Keep this cool on these hot summer days. It's 100 degrees today. Heat index is 112. So, just idling, no issues. Paint's nice on the car, all the chrome, the trim, bright work, fantastic. All the gaps are symmetrical, really nice. Just a straight car. Look up and down. Does have the GT style exhaust with the trumpets coming out the rear valance. Nice trunk. Got the boot. Just a nice car. Does have the red oxide floors as it's supposed to, but just a nice car. You can see the taillight bezel, gas cap, rear lock, all that stuff's new on the car. I thought I saw a couple minute chips on the car. Yeah, there's a couple teeny ones there. We have the correct paint to touch up. That was just there. But a couple tiny chips right there. Appears they have the rear quarter window. Slight patina in it, but still shows well. The corner window, still in great shape. Appears to be original. Teeny bit of patina. New door handles, new side view mirrors. Dash looks fantastic. Just a nice car, great body lines. Wheels are in good shape. They appear to be original. Have a little wear to them. Tires are like new. Radial tires. Bumper, grill, all that like new. Quarter trim, all that's nice. Antenna. The doors are nicely done. Jams. Interior. Seats feel great. They've obviously been done. They feel like they've been, I would highly believe the seat cushions redone because they're nice, full, firm. So, top's like new. Top frame rail's fantastic. Earth shifter. Factory style radio. But you can tell. Got the red oxide floors. Just nicely done. The well's fantastic, all the trim. The snaps around are excellent condition. Just nicely done. There's the gauges. An eighth of a tank of gas, good oil pressure. Battery's charging. See, temp's holding great. Go ahead and roll that window down. It's too hot of a day. Side the jams are nice. Doors. There's your tag. Take it for a ride.